so stoked. I have been waiting since June to unbox, guys, Cherry Walls' box of Curation of Magical Curiosities. I probably just butchered that. Words, guys, words. But I have been waiting forever to get this box. My owl was a bit late, but that is okay as long as it came. As soon as I came back from vacation, the next day, this was at my doorstep. Guys, this is just so beautiful. I have never had a subscription box from Harry Potter before, and to just get my first ever Geek Year box and open it with you guys, that is just so magical. Guys, by the way, I really wanted to open this yesterday and just take a peek, but like I always say, I never look at anything or open it before I show it to you guys first. So let's open this beauty together. I actually have a table next to me today. I never have this for a haul, and I was like, let's be prepared for this, guys, because we don't know what's in here. So I'm ready to dive on in. So if you guys want to see what's in this box, then just keep on watching. Alright, my loves, let's get right into it. Okay, so, oh my gosh, here we go. Oh my gosh! It has a letter inside. I hope this letter finds you well and that the owl that delivered it arrived safely. He sure did, guys. Late, but he was safe. I also hope that this box didn't end up in the wrong hands, as I will likely to get into trouble for exposing our kind to the Muggle world. If you're reading this, I wanted to say a big thank you for all of your support with the Curation of Magical Curiosity. Words, guys, I can't speak. Always, Cherry. P.S. By the way, the bird bites. I didn't get bitten, guys. I didn't get bitten. That's good, right? So, we are going to unbox this. Look at this tissue paper. What the heck? This is so magical. Cherry has amazing taste, so I was like, I had to get this box. Oh my gosh. And I knew that it was going to be amazing. Wiggly whams! Oh, let's just throw this on my floor because I really don't care. What? What's going on? I'm too excited here. That's not a bad thing though. What even? Oh my gosh, what do I open first? What do I want to open first? I have been waiting for this for such a long time. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, herbology. What is this? I was trying so hard to avoid spoilers, and I really wanted to watch her unboxing, the Bakey's unboxing, and everybody else's unboxing, and I really wanted to check the tagged photos. Shut up. Look! This is so beautiful. I will do up close views of this so you guys can see it better. But oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love the detail on this. I'm just loving everything that I saw so far. I mean, okay, so we'll put this down gently. Good thing I have a table next to me because that won't be good, guys, because I'm a bit clumsy. We don't want to break anything. The memory vial. She didn't, but she did. She did. This exquisitely crafted vial bottle will hold your closest memories for many years to come. I have some special memories to put in here, guys. I really do. Things that I want to remember forever. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I have so many fragile things to put on my shelf. I have to be so careful. I have no space anymore on my shelves. Like everything, as you can see behind me, it's kind of just like stuffed there. I am working on getting shelves and stuff for that because issues, guys, issues. I mean, it's Harry Potter and it's really pretty things, so we cannot go wrong with that. Okay, this doesn't want to go into the box, so let's be careful with that. I think I know what this is. I think I know what this is. Is it from Nicholas Flamel? I mean, oh. It doesn't want to open. Thanks. Maybe my owl really secured this, not, you know, so the muggles don't get it, because if the muggles get this, well, we're all in trouble, aren't we? Oh, okay. A few seconds of Sam struggling. That's okay. It's not like you guys haven't seen that before. Oh, I think I know what this is. Cherry! Oh my gosh. The Resurrection Stone. Oh my god. I have to watch out before Voldemort comes flying at me, guys, and then you will all witness it, but I have my wand and I am ready, so yeah. By the way, if you want to know where this shirt is from, because I got so many questions about it, it is from Primark and it was only like $8, so that's not bad. I finally found one close to me. I love this box so much and I just don't know what to, like, I just don't know how to react. This pin! It is the Yule Ball pin. This is going to look so beautiful on my Harry Potter pin board. I just love pins and I have gotten into other pins as well as of lately, so oh my gosh. I'm gonna have a separate pin board for other fandoms, by the way. I have tea. I finally got one of these fancy teas that I always see in these unboxings and I'm pretty darn stoked about it. Now, it has white tea flavoring, coconut chips, sweet blackberry, leaves, rose petals, cornflower petals, marigold petals, and sunflower petals. And like I said, it is passion fruit infused tea, time turning tea. So if I drink this, can I go back in time and change a few things? Because, yeah, I would love to do that. I mean, that's just me. And now, oh, she didn't. But I think she did. Here we go. Oh, this is so cool! Advanced potion making. This is so clever! Oh my gosh! It has like the ingredients and everything. And the symbols. I really need a bigger room, guys. I need a separate room for my Harry Potter stuff and just a separate place for other fandoms. Because if I had any self-control, guys, we wouldn't run into these kinds of issues. Now let's see what else is in here. Okay. Let's open this. What is this? Oh, shut up. Are you serious? It's a mandrake print. This is so lovely. I just bought some frames that were the wrong size for my meet and greet photos and my autograph from the little goblin. And then I had to get the right size, but I should have kept it because now I'm going to need a frame for that. Typical Sam, look what I did again. And now here is just a list explaining what's in the box. And it is cleverly done. I will have to do an up-close view of it for you guys, of course. This is amazing. You could really tell that there was a lot of thought and inspiration behind this and a whole lot of love in this box because I'm pretty darn stoked about this box, guys. I really love this and I'm really hoping that I get to have her Christmas box. I hope that that does not go out of pre-order like what happened to this box. I am so glad that I ordered it when I did because when I ordered it shortly after they announced the ending of this box. So I really hope I get my hands on the Christmas box because if it is anything like this box, then it is going to be amazing. So if you guys did miss out, I mean, at least you got to see what was inside and I hope that you guys get the Christmas box. I believe she announced it's going to be on September 7th, so just keep an eye out for that. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this magical unboxing. It was my first subscription box unboxing and I was so happy and I'm super stoked because I like live for these kinds of videos and to just open one by myself, I mean, that's pretty darn amazing and now I have a lot of wiggly worms to clean up. And with all of that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell if you do not want to miss any more uploads from me, guys. I do all kinds of things on this channel from Harry Potter to beauty, fashion, makeup tutorials, you name it. Oh, and I kind of do a lot of shopping hauls because I kind of have some issues. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.
I wanna love you with the lights on, keep you up all night long. Darling, I wanna see